Hello everyone. So by the title you know I am going to be showing you the gifts which I happen to receive during my birthday, or maybe I would say a week before my birthday also. So yes, all of these things I have happened to receive from my brother and my sister-in-law, and I did happen to receive a gift from my husband also, which I have technically not bought it because of one reason, that I'm waiting for a good discount. So that gift is a camera, so whenever I buy it I will show it to you. And yes, I did happen to receive a very expensive gift from my mother-in-law also, my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, which I cannot show you on camera. I don't feel like showing it here because it's not something to be announced to the whole world. So yes, it is expensive, so I'm not going to talk about that also. So yes, I have received a lot of gifts almost from every member of my family, but I thought these are certain gifts which I can show you and basically express my happiness. And the other reason is I'm no way I'm showing you that okay मेरे पास ये है, मैंने ये खरीदा, मुझे ये मिला. All that is not in mind. It's just that like whenever these events happen, some of you, my like constant subscribers and followers, do happen to ask me, what did you receive on your birthday, what exciting did you do? So frankly speaking, मैं ज़्यादा ये सब नहीं share कर पाती हूँ. So I thought why not just sit down, chit chat with you guys and tell you what all I received. And इससे एक और फायदा ये हो जाता है that I also love asking people what did they receive on their birthday, because इससे एक आइडिया हो जाता है कि मैं अगले बर्थडे में ये ले सकती हूँ अपने लिए भी. सो दैट्स द होल कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड इट. सो इस वीडियो को आप वैसे ले लो, मतलब इससे आपको आइडिया भी मिल जाएगा और आपका मूड भी अच्छा हो जाएगा. मे बी आप अपने नेक्स्ट बर्थडे पे ऐसा कुछ ले सकते हो या किसी को दे भी सकते हो. बट आई विल डेफिनेटली मेक अ डेडिकेटेड वीडियो ऑन गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शन विच आई हैव नॉट डन दिस ईयर. सो यस, सो विदाउट रैम्बलिंग टू मच एंड इस इंट्रो को और लंबा नहीं करते हुए चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Frankly speaking, there are two products which मैं already आपको अपने नायका पिंक फ्राइडे सेल में दिखा चुकी हूँ. So I thought I will first catch up on those and then I will talk about other things which I received. But just to make the video interesting, I will tell you I happened to get my first ever Michael Kors bag, which I will show you at the end of the video, as well as I happened to receive my first ever Aldo bag from the newest collection. So that also I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So yeah, just to make the video a little interesting and a little वो ऐसा कि मतलब हाँ हम end तक देखेंगे. Okay, so first thing which I happen to already show you, and I've already used it and I've already talked about it, is this MAC eyeshadow palette which my brother gave me. It was my birthday gift only, but since Black Friday में offer अच्छे मिल रहे थे, so why should I make him spend after the Black Friday and spend the full amount? So yes, I happened to get this from my brother. Yeah, and yeah, I did happen to save here a lot and absolutely loving this palette. You know, I have been using this palette and frankly speaking ऐसा नहीं है कि I have bought it and I've kept it. This is like अभी बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रहा है ये पैलेट, बहुत ज़्यादा, because I just love using it because the shadows are so pigmented, so well done. So मुझे लगा कि yes, it is definitely one of the best gifts and I would have never bought it. Yes, though I told my husband that even I want, okay, so there is a doorbell, I'll just be here in a minute. So there was this driver who had to give my car keys back, so he rang the bell. I always get a little fumble when ऐसे वीडियो के बीच में बेल बज जाए ना, तो I'm like who came, कहाँ से, मतलब why at this point somebody has to come. So yes, we were talking about this MAC eyeshadow palette and I'm excited, I'm happy that I could own my first ever MAC product. And I would like to tell you that my brother is one person who actually has added a lot of MAC products to my makeup vanity, because whenever he comes back to India, तो जब भी वो ड्यूटी फ्री में होता है तो he end up getting something, not every time, but if I have asked anything in particular then he will definitely grab it. But अब वो time नहीं है. He used to do it earlier, now I don't ask him. But yes, this is the first palette, eyeshadow palette by MAC, which my brother gifted me and I'm going to cherish it. I'm loving it and I'm excited also. So yes, this was like the first gift. The second gift is also by my brother only. Again ये भी मैंने Black Friday में ही खरीदा था and मैं ये दिखा चुकी हूँ आपको, और मैंने वहाँ भी mention किया था that this was given to me by my brother. So this is the PAC Cosmetic का synthetic brush set. ये कुछ इस तरीके का है. The cost of this set was, I think it was on 10% discount. So technically I paid only, मतलब he paid only 7,100 or so. So yes, I got this brush set and I was looking into this brush set from a very long time. दो मैंने बीच में limited edition brush set भी खरीदा था पैक से, and that one was also given to me by my brother only. So these things generally whenever he comes back to India, वो मेरी अच्छी shopping कराता है. मतलब it's not that it's my birthday then only he does, but this time my birthday was very close. So yes, this is how the brush set comes in a nice bag. So if you're a makeup artist or something, it will be a good purchase. Or if you are a person who travels a lot and you do makeup on others, then this set makes sense. I know. Did I just say that makes sense? And I bought it, but I will be using it definitely. So you get a lot of brushes here. So it's a nice investment, I would say, since I do a lot of makeup. अगर आप ज़्यादा makeup नहीं करते हैं, आपको बहुत minimalistic brushes चाहिए, so do not buy this. There are smaller sets also, but yes, I am going to love them because I have to discard a lot of my brushes, and I have to pull out some new brushes which I have already. So I'm a person who always have like a stock of new brushes, and this definitely adds up. So I am excited about this one as well. Now before I show you another gift from my brother bought a lot of things. Apparently अगर ये पूरी video देख लूँ तो 70% or 80% is my brother gifting only. But let's talk about gift which I happened to get from my sister-in-law. So she happened to get me a perfume which is by Jennifer Lopez. In, I think the perfume name is Still, and it is a 100 ml bottle, and this is how the perfume comes in a nice bottle. I really like the simple packaging. I have used it only once, तो अच्छी लगी मुझे. मतलब it's somewhere in between. It's not the softest, it's not the strongest, but it is definitely somewhere in between. So if you're a person जिसको अच्छी minimalist perfume चाहिए, जो ज़्यादा out there ना हो, then you will definitely like it. I don't know where you can get it. So this has a very nice diamond cut packaging on it. I don't know how much you can see. And it just feels so luxe in the hand. I love perfumes, but I do feel more than 100 ml I enjoy more 50 mls because I do have a lot of perfumes. But who doesn't like perfumes? Like, I love perfume. So I'm really happy another different edition is being added to my perfume collection. And yes, I will be using it and definitely loving it because my sister-in-law's perfume selection, I would say, is really good because whenever she has bought a perfume for me, I have loved it. Though she doesn't know what I like, but I think her liking for perfume and my liking for perfume is almost on the same line. So yes, a wonderful perfume. Next up, she got me a makeup product. Now this was suggested by me only to her, but she gifted to me. This palette is the NARS. This is my first ever NARS product. Okay, let me open it. So this is how the NARS palette comes. It's a cheek palette. It's their 2021 limited edition holiday palette, and I just told her, like, she had very few days to come to India. So it's like today she told me I'm coming to India in another 5 days. So she technically didn't have time to order things online and all, because it was like a sudden plan that she would like to spend her holidays in India. So she just came, and she happened to ask me, what do you need anything from US? So long time back I did share 2 to 3 things with her, and she ended up remembering this palette and she got it. That's really thoughtful of her. So yes, this is how the palette by NARS come. I've not used it a single time. I wanted to do a review, but how does it make sense? And again, there is a doorbell. So this time we had a courier boy. Oh my god, I just pray to God अब एक और bell नहीं बजनी चाहिए. Okay, so we were talking about this interesting palette. Oh my god, when I saw this palette and I was like, if I really had to add a product from NARS, this could be one of them. I'm not saying this is the one. So since the packaging was speaking out loud to me और बहुत ही pretty लग रहा था ये palette, so I was like, let me just get it. And why it is not opening now, that's the hard part. So yes, this is how the palette looks. So you have like this is a complete cheek palette. So you have like 3 blushes, then I can use these 2 as my bronzers, and this thing I can use as my highlighter. So isn't it stunning? And it is so warm in nature that I knew that it is going to show up on my skin. That's the hard part. Like अगर आप international palettes ले रहे हो, so they should be warmer, then only they will show up, or else there is no point buying them. And frankly speaking, 2021 was the year where I picked up very good face palettes. So yes, this is again another edition. I'm dying to use it. But yes, I'm so happy to receive this, and thank you, Mimi. So yes, a lovely gift, and who doesn't like makeup? I'm a hoarder. But I am not hoarding unnecessary things now. I'm being very wise, and I would like to have products like this in my vanity. So yes, a wonderful addition. Okay, so this is definitely out of the box. The next thing which I'm going to show you, but I'm just going to quickly show it to you, is since it is on the same table, I forgot to remove it, is a perfume for my husband which my sister-in-law gave. And if you are also interested in this perfume, like men gifting, then you can pick it up. It's the Guess Man Etude Toilette Natural Spray. I don't know what is the name of it. I think it is just this green one. And this perfume comes in a packaging like this. This is a 75 ml bottle. It's a big bottle, so it opens like this. And this also is a lovely scent. It is again something not very strong musky perfume, but it's definitely milder. And if you have a very strong personality, if you put a perfume like this, it just enhances your personality. If you have a strong personality, and if you end up a lot stronger perfumes, then it may other person feel that you are a very nasty person. Yes, with me, I do feel like I do describe perfumes like that. Like perfume do add up to your whole personality, your whole behavioral attitude. So yes, pick up a perfume wisely. This one is also really nice. So if you are looking forward a men perfume, a good one, this can be one of those options. Though he has used only twice, because उसके बाद मैंने वो perfume उठा के इस table पे रख दिया था, and I forgot to give it to him. Next up, we have another perfume set which my brother gave it to me. Now this gift was an impulse buy, or it's not an impulse buy, it was like a buy which he wanted to do. Like क्या हुआ कि due to COVID there are no sign-offs, he cannot go to any ports, he cannot buy random things. So from the airport, when he was coming back to India, so Delhi airport pe, I think he happened to see Nykaa Lux store or something, and from there he picked up set. Yeah, because he had a layover on Delhi airport, and then from Delhi he was coming to Banaras. So आपको पता होगा जब बीच में एक Nykaa Lux store आता है, so on Terminal 3. So वहाँ से he picked it up, and he asked the store man or a girl, I don't know whom he who was attending him, तो उसने उसको ये set recommend किया, and I was like, really? Why? So I'll tell you why. So this is the set which he got. It's the Giorgio Armani ka set, in which you get 3 things. I'll show you. So you get this, you get a perfume, 100 ml perfume, and then you get body lotion and a shower gel. The body lotion looks very tempting. So yes, you get these 3 things, and I've seen such good reviews also. But the perfume itself, I do feel if this perfume my brother would have given me at least 3 years back, I would have loved it. But now on, I have realized that I like more of perfumes which are in somewhere in between, and not too strong, not too mild. But this one is definitely strong, and this perfume is for she, but I do feel this is more of a unisex perfume. Yes, let me just sniff it a bit. थोड़ा सा. Yeah, this is definitely a unisex perfume. It is marketed as women's perfume. Nobody would come to know a man is wearing a woman's perfume. This is that kind of a perfume. So this is definitely a unisex perfume. So ऐसा भी होता है कभी कभी वुमेन्स में आपको यूनिसेक्स मिल जाएंगे या मेन में आपको यूनिसेक्स मिल जाएंगे. So I don't see myself wearing this a lot in winters. I do see myself wearing this a lot in summers. Not one of the best perfumes he has bought so far. I told him that bhai kyun le li tumhe? So he was like, Didi, I wanted to get something for you. I never wanted to come empty handed. I was like, it's okay, I'm your sister, I'm your elder sister, it's okay. So it's like, no, you will like it. I was like, theek hai, okay. I will love it, I will like it, there's nothing wrong about it. But slowly जितना मैंने इसको एक दो बार यूज़ किया है, I have liked it. So I think sometimes first impression is not a good impression. So this perfume did not give me that first impression as a good impression. So I think I'm gonna like it. Now it is settling onto my hand. So slowly I am in a process of loving this perfume. So yes, he bought me this. And इसके साथ you get a lotion and a shower gel. The lotion we can use today. So this is how the lotion is. थोड़े हाँ ड्राई भी हो रहे हैं मेरे, बहुत ड्राई हो रहे हैं. So you just see how it performs and how luxe I'm feeling after using this one. Because okay, this is mild, it's nice. There's no high fragrance in it. It's not there at all. I feel like जब मैंने इनिशियली लगाना शुरू किया था, I felt maybe इसको लगाते लगाते वो बाथ एंड बॉडी वाली फील आ जाएगी मुझे. बट बहुत ही अच्छा सा जेंटल सा लोशन है. सो अगर ये सेपरेटली मिलता है तो यू कैन एक्चुअली बाय इट. सो इट इज़ डेफिनेटली अ गुड गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शन. लाइक इफ़ यू वांट टू गिव इट टू एनीवन, यू कैन बाय इट. ये आप एक मैन के लिए भी ले सकते हो, बट टिल द टाइम दैट मैन डजंट माइंड यू बाइंग अ वुमेन परफ्यूम एंड गिविंग इट टू हिम. Chalo, now let's move on to the exciting part, the two handbags which I received. Basically, both of them are more of Seychelles bags, but they are my first, so I'm definitely excited, and I would have never bought it. So let's just get into the first one. So the two bags I received, first up, I did receive this just rightly on my birthday. And again, this is by my brother. So he picked up the first ever Aldo bag for me. So this is how the bag is. Okay, now camera doesn't do justice to these bags. So this is a stunning bag. It is from their newest collection, and he bought this. Now you have this nice Aldo keychain. Then you have this. You open it, and you open the bag like this, and there is the sling. And you have one pocket, you have one or two small pockets to keep your chain, your phone or something. So yeah, this is like the first bag he got for me. Oh my god, I was like, really? And the cost of this bag, I really don't want to tell you the cost, but if you are eyeing an Aldo bag, you can actually invest in one. So this one is for 8,000 rupees, and this was from their newest collection. But in between, Aldo had an amazing offer on Aldo's website also. So do check out Aldo's website to get more new collections. Because if you get it from any other website, there's a possibility you get the fake bag, or you may not get the right one. Because I'll tell you, on Instagram I did a poll on Aldo bag, जिसमें से मैंने एक order किया भी था अपने लिए because it was in a good discount, and my brother only asked me to place an order. But उस समय क्या हुआ कि when I received that bag, all the stitches, the threads were coming off. Stitch was intact, but threads were out. It was not cut properly, it was not cleaned up, and I did not feel good about it, and I returned it. So then I told my brother, leave it, I don't want the bag. But then later he only decided कि नहीं, he has to give it to me, he wants to give it to me. So he just surprised me with this one. So yes, I'm happy. I think his choice is better than mine, because the one I picked up was like a usual color. This is definitely out of the box, so I absolutely love it. I've not used it even once. Maybe some occasion I will use this one because I am quite excited. And now we are down to the last thing and last gift which I happened to receive, and this one I received from my sister-in-law. So yes, I never thought that. Matlab, she never asked me for it. Like, she just surprised me just before leaving. Like, my husband's birthday was on 15th November. So she gave my gift also on that day. She's like, I will not be there for your birthday, so I want to give you in advance. And I was like, really? When I received it, I didn't pay attention. Then later I realized, oh my god, this is Michael Kors bag. Because I was so busy that time, I did not pay attention. And I was like, why did you have to get such an expensive bag? So abhi bhi iski paper sab usi mein, because I have not opened it. So she got me my first ever Michael Kors bag. This is called as what? There's a name to this bag, I feel. I think I kept the card somewhere. So this is the Michael, wait, this has the tags on. So this is the Michael Kors Charlotte luggage leather. I really don't know. This is LGTZ tote. I really don't know how the bag goes in Michael Kors, because I never thought of buying any in my lifetime because they're expensive. No bag is less than 24,000. So yes, you heard me right. And yeah, so this is a very nice mid-size bag which has very minimalistic pockets. It has a nice handle and it opens like this, and yeah, I just love it. Who doesn't love Michael Kors bag? Tell me about it. So this is again something wonderful and I'm happy. I'm still not opened it because I thought कि मैं ये stickers तभी निकालूंगी जब मैं इसे use करूंगी, and I would like to keep it as nicely as I can, because whenever you buy expensive bags or you get expensive bags, इनको हमेशा अच्छे से dust bag में रखें and keep it in a nice closed area. You really don't have to keep it in an area where it is too hot, humid, and your leather may start chipping off. But if you have a good bag like this, leather is good and it will never chip off. Because I have bags, like I have 1 or 2 bags where the real leather doesn't chip off or anything. It will never give you any kind of trouble. This is also from that kind of a range where this bag is never going to give me trouble and I can use it like I don't know how many years. But I'm definitely excited about this one. So apart from these things which I happen to show you, I did happen to receive a lot of other knick-knack things also, but I will definitely show you one more thing which I'm using at this point, and this is again gifted to my brother, by my brother, sorry. It's a light for my filming. I really don't know what you call this light as. I really have to Google it. But this is from the brand called Codex, and it is available on Codex website as well as Amazon. So this light, I bought it with the stand, like he bought it with the stand. Basically, he just told me, you share the link and I will just buy it. So whenever he comes to India, not whenever I would say, but he always tried to invest into my YouTube work. He asked me, if you need anything, if I can help you in your work, why not? So the ring light also he bought it for me. This light also he bought it for me, and it was not very expensive, but the light is really good. So if you're eyeing something like this light, then you can definitely buy from this brand, or you can buy from Amazon also, though this light does not come with the remote. So I'm all okay with it. I don't keep adjusting my lights all the time. Once it is set, you really don't have to do anything more than that. So this is like the last thing which I wanted to show you, and I will try to show you my filming setup someday. But yes, I am happy with this investment. This gift is like, I think sare gifts मैंने आपको दिखाए, but this is the one I'm more happy because this is something which I use almost every time I film. So yes, thank you bhai for this amazing light and adding up more light to my videos. So yes, this is again something well bought, and this is definitely one of those gifts I will never forget. So there you know all the gifts I happen to receive in my birthday month, and from my brother, my sister-in-law, and yes, I happen to receive from my husband as well as my in-laws, and even from my father also. I did happen to receive quite a few things. So yes, I have got a lot of gifts in past 2.5 months. That's overwhelming, but I enjoyed it also. But I happen to show you only few of them because I felt these were like, you can also get some idea if you want to get them in future, or maybe you want to gift to your loved ones. I will try to link all of these products in the description if I happen to get it online wherever they are available, so that you can have a better idea, and if you are ready to invest in any of this, why not? I hope you loved watching this little interesting video on gifts. Yes, it's all about gifts. And if you loved watching my content, consider subscribing to my channel and giving a thumbs up and following me on my Instagram @bronzinky. I will see you in my next one. Till then, you take care and ta-da!